Little dogs pee. Big dogs pee too. For all the lovely urine-specific stains your pet leaves behind, we've got a solution. Our Urine Destroyer formula is specially formulated to knock out sticky yellow residue and lingering pee-pee stink. First, wipe up the stain. Using our new Easy Pour cap, soak the stain until it's fully saturated. Wow, that's good. And wait! Nature's Miracle products use action-packed ingredients to break down stains. And perfection takes time, people. Give it anywhere from 10 minutes to overnight. Wipe away. Be confident, pet parent. With mess-eliminating power in every shape and color, you too can have nice things. Trust the miracle.